Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week I decided to do something a little bit different as I planned ahead of time since I was feeling a little bit under the weather. But I wanted to do, well, I guess this is this week so far. I've kind of already filled some of it out versus doing a plan with me. But there was this empty space here and it's been so rainy and so gloomy, and I thought it would be really cool to kind of do a stamp or make a stamp for this corner. So I thought today I would show you guys how I make my rubber stamps. I made a video in the past on how I actually do this process, but over some time, I guess the last like year and a half or so, I kind of get back to this from time to time. It's like a hobby of mine where I'll carve stamps, and well, I just recently started to make these like bookmarks. But I made this crash landing on you stamp and like this girl stamp. So it actually looks a little strange because the ink gets onto the unmarked areas, but it actually stamps out like kind of cool like that. So anyway, excuse me, I am a little bit under the weather still. So yeah, lots of stamps, lots of different things. Oh, this week I recently did a little, I guess I was craving like Japanese food. So I made this like ramen bowl and rice bowl and this little onigiri. So anyway, I thought it would be really fun to film a stamp with me or carve a stamp with me video, and also to stamp it into my journal. So if you're interested in seeing how that happens, keep watching. Alright, so one of the first things you'll want to do if you're doing your own design is kind of sketch it out, either on a piece of paper, or for me, I did mine on my iPad. And you'll want some tracing paper to kind of lay on top and to use a pencil to outline your design. And basically, I did that already off screen. I basically wanted her to be a little bit smaller, so I just kind of downsized her and added some drops in. And basically, I have my design, so I'm going to shut this off here. So in terms of stamp carving, the items that you will need is some material to carve into. This is from Speedball. It's their rubber stamp material. You'll need a carving tool. Speedball also has their own set, but I've been using this set here from the, it's the micro palm set from Flex Cut Carving Tools. And I just stick my little X-Acto knife in here. This is something I plan to carve later. But yeah, basically you just need a carving tool, your design, and some material to carve. So basically I'm just checking on what tools I might be using, and I'll use my X-Acto knife at the end, and basically going to get started. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is flip your design onto your rubber piece. I'm just going to put her right here, and you're going to want to push down. So the lead from the pencil or whatever ink you use should transfer onto your carving piece, and just like that. Perfect. Perfect. All right, so now you'll want to start carving. So there's two methods of carving. You can either use your X-Acto knife to carve or carving tools. I'm going to use kind of a combination of both. So I'm going to put on some music and start carving.
You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go.
Alright, so after cleaning up and cutting out your stamp, you'll want to roll out the ink and sort of spread that onto your image. And I always like to do a test sheet prior to stamping my final product, in this case my planner. So I'm going to test it on this sheet of paper here, and this test allows you to find areas that are, say, places that you should have carved off but didn't, and it's a nice way to see it clearly on an image, because sometimes looking at the stamp it looks fine, but then you'll stamp it and be like, oh, I have all these extra lines. So let's take a look here. So you can see I've got a bunch of extra lines around the sides. So I cleaned those areas up, decided that I was ready to stamp it into my journal or my planner, and here we go. If you guys have made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in more of these videos, I've been posting more stamp carving videos on my Instagram at Beauty by Starlet and my TikTok as well. So definitely check it out. Look forward to seeing you guys next week in another video, hoping for more sunshine. All right, see you guys next time. Thank you.